Hey traders, in this video I'm going to be doing a live payout request with Alpha Capital, showing you my account metric dashboard, including all of my live accounts and the interesting insights into them with full transparency. So I hope you enjoy this video and let's dive straight in. So this is my account metric dashboard. As you can see, again, full transparency here. I have two funded accounts with them. One is now currently inactive because it's waiting for the payout to happen. And then once they pay out, I'll probably receive my new funded account with them. So as you can see, this one was 2.9K in profit and this one is 1.6K in profit. So just going into the account metric dashboard, as you can see, it's a $100,000 account. The payout date is today because today is the 4th of November. And what you can see is that the balance is 1.693 and the win rate is 40%. So over the past 2 weeks, I've been trading on this account, and what you're going to be able to see, and sometimes this dashboard just glitches, but now it works. You can see the trades. The first two trades taken on this account were both a loss. So actually, I started off the challenge or the funded account with straight away being in a 2% drawdown, which is never a nice thing. Every single time when you start a funded live account, or if you start a challenge with a prop firm and you go straight into loss, this can work pretty heavy on your mindset and can really screw with your brain because you're going to start making these irrational, stupid decisions. But luckily, we stuck to the plan. And as you can see, 3% trade on GJ, then a 2% loss on UJ. So this was actually just supposed to be a minus 1% loss, but I traded, I was holding a trade during news. And then I got a little bit screwed by the spreads, as you can see. So therefore it was a 2% loss, but then luckily Euro GBP again performed with a 3.2% winner. And this is now enabling us to have a payout of $1.693,000. So now when it comes to the actual payout itself, it's not the easiest process, I guess, but you go into settings and then you go into payout and then you're going to press request payout. So as you can see, I'm currently waiting on another payout of my other funded account, which is currently turned off. This is a payout of around 2.4K. As you can see, the status is flagged. So Alpha Capital actually invited me onto a risk interview where I guess they're going to ask a few questions about my strategy and if I actually trade. So let's see what they have to say. I will update you guys on what happens to that. Obviously, if I don't get paid out, you guys are going to be the first to hear it. If we do get paid out, you will also hear it. So we're going to request another payout here. So ending the month pretty strong. This is the account. Again, it's glitching because you can't even see what the account balance is. Let me think, it was 1693. So let's see what happens if I submit it. Oh, let's see, 1354. Oh yeah, obviously the account is 80%. So 1354. Or was it 1394? I'm doing this live, so I'm at the same time. 1354. Sorry about that, guys. So 1354, submit, OK, and there we go. Payout requested. So now let's see what happens. So as you can see, again, full transparency, around 3.7K in payouts this month, just with Alpha Capital alone, within the space of around 1.5 weeks. So let's see if the payout comes in, and I'll keep you guys posted on that. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.